Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little haul from Eyelet Outlet. I saw my friend Diane, who is Crafting with Fury here on YouTube. She posted her haul and I was like, you know what, let me order directly from them because I usually just pick it up at the scrapbooking expo, and obviously that's not happening this year. So I was like, I might as well shop now. I got everything on sale. That's on sale. I don't know if it's still on sale, but I paid full price for these. So these guys were $3.29, and look how cute those little ghosties are with the detail of the shadowing. Oh, I love this. Super cute. And I just cut the back of the brads off. If I'm not using it for a brad, I will cut the back off. And then I got some eyelets where I thought I got 3. Yes, I did. These are called no Setter Eyelets, which means you could just use a pen to shut it. I don't know how that works, or I just use my setter anyway. But quicklets, but they're shaped as little pumpkins. These were like 50 cents, I think. Then I got these cute little, look how cute these are. Just colorful lollipops, and the little sticks are metal. They are brads, but again, like I said, I just chopped the pieces off. I got 2 little rainbow guys. Super cute. These guys were $39 for the 2 or something like that. Next I got these little heart lock ones, cute for Valentine's Day. Little eyelets shaped like hearts. These ones are kind of big. They're about a little over 3/4 of an inch wide. And then I got these cute little candy corns, $39. Next are these cute, look at these little brads in pastel colors, shaped like balloons. These were $1.49. They're hearts. So these are heart ones, and then these are the heart lockets. 2 different things, guys. So these are smaller. These don't have the locket part.